stuff inside, like egg and the glass noodle later. Alright, can you try to make one to show to your friend? Alright, try to make it one. So your friend can see how it looks like. Yeah, maybe we need to put a little bit more chicken. Yep. Now Vania put the egg in the middle. And now Vania gonna wrap that up. When we make the skin, we make it in a circle shape. But when we already put all the chicken, egg, and whatever you want to put inside, when we already put everything inside, the shape will be like something like a half circle. So the shape is going to be different when you already put everything inside the skin. And we need to press the edge of the skin. We need to press it to make sure when we fried it, the skin not open up. Okay. This is the shape look like after you put the stuff inside the skin. See?
That's so good.
It's nice. Alright. So we're gonna continue to make the pastel. Yeah, this is the second one. Vania make the pastel. We put the chicken or whatever inside based on the size of the skin. Yes. Close it like that, yes. Yep. Close it first, after that you press. Yes. Good job. Perfect. Perfect. Alright friends, we're gonna continue making the pastel, and